constant only. What we are going to do today, I told you active mass. I told you active mass means I told you that is it is represented in a square bracket. So active mass is equal to square bracket equal to what? Molar concentration. You can write also molar concentration, or you can write moles per liter. Moles per liter. These are the same things, right? These are the same things. Are you be able to understand this? Janab, are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So active mass is equal to, okay, moles of component divided by volume in liter. Volume in liter. Okay. So let us try to solve one problem. The problem is 8.5 gram. They are saying 8.5 gram of NH3 dissolved in, where it is going to dissolve, dissolve to form 4 liter aqueous solution, 4 liter solution, right? They are forming 4 liter aqueous solution. Calculate the active mass. They are saying calculate the active mass, because the now we need to solve the problem on equilibrium constant where this will be given. So how we will be able to solve this? Okay, so first of all, here you see Janab, what is given? 8.5 gram. This is there, but active mass, in active mass what formula we are going to use? That is moles of component divided by volume in liter. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So see, it is the gram. Then how to calculate number of moles? Can you please tell me number of moles? Number of moles is equal to
Number of moles, sir. C
given mass,
into D plus E by.
given mass upon what, Janab? That is molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. Okay. So how much the given mass is there? 8.5 gram. So I am writing 8.5 gram. Molar mass of ammonia, if you are trying to understand, molar mass of ammonia. Okay. Molar mass of what? Ammonia. So molar mass of ammonia, how much is there? Can you please tell me molar mass of ammonia? So that is N plus 3NH, right? So nitrogen, how many there? That is mass of nitrogen is how much? Can you tell me the molar atomic mass of nitrogen? I think today your network is not correct. So atomic mass nitrogen is 14, plus how much is there? 3 in hydrogen, how much? 1. So it will be 14 plus 3. So how much will be there? 17 gram. So this is molar mass of ammonia. So I am writing here is 17. So how much will come? That is 17 5 jar with 0.5 mole. It is coming how much? 0.5 mole, right? Are you be able to understand here? Janab, is it audible to you? Janab, are you listening? Hello?